This is the reminder to do attendance on campus so that you're counted here today. So our goals today are to do our warm-up and then our multiplication. So our warm-up is counting coins and a word problem. And then our skill for the day is to multiply by 5. So this is our coins. Over here is our helping tool to show how much each coin is. So quarters are 25, dimes are 10, nickels are 5, and pennies are 1. So I line them up in order just like you do when you sort your coins in person. So this time, since we haven't used quarters in our group yet, we're going to do that one last. So we'll start at the dimes right here. And I'll get a red dot so you can see it right here. And those are 10. So let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So we have 40. What is 40 plus 5? 45, and we'll count by fives. 45, 50, 55. So I put 55 over here, so if we forget, we know that these two together are 55. So now we're counting by ones. 55 plus 1. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. So I'm going to write 61. And we still need to add our 25. So 61 plus 25. And you know we always start in our ones place. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So we have 86 cents. Next is our word problem. In the slime, there were 43 Orbeez. Miss Shade picked out 17 of them. Charlie asked Miss Shade to put them back, so she put 8 back. How many Orbeez are in the slime? So first, we always circle our numbers. 1, 2, 3. We have 3 numbers in our word problem. Now we start at the beginning. 43 comes first. So I had 43 Orbeez. 17 is the next number. And if we look back, it said, in the slime there were 43 Orbeez. Miss Shade picked out 17 of them. If I'm picking them out, are we adding or subtracting? We're subtracting because we're taking them out. So we do 3 take away 7. And we can't do that. So we go over to our neighbor, take away 1. And then this becomes 13. 13 take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm going to cross off 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 3 take away 1 is 2. Did I use all my numbers yet? I used 43 and I used 17, but I haven't used 8 yet. So I'm going to bring this up to the top, 26, and I'm going to put 8 below it. And 8 goes in our ones place. So Charlie asked Miss Shade to put them back. So she put back 8. So I took them out and now I'm putting them back. So we're adding. 6 plus 8. So I'm going to draw 6 lines and I'm going to count up. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 4 on the bottom, 1 on top. 2 plus 1 is 3. So my answer is 34. And what are we talking about? 34 Orbeez. Now we're going to do our multiplication. So we're multiplying by 5, just like our dimes when we count by 5s. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And what we do, I'm trying to make it a little bit bigger, is that when we have a multiplication problem, like 6 times 5, if we see a 5, we know to count by 5s, and the other number shows us how many fingers to hold up. So I'm going to hold up 6 fingers and put them down while I'm counting by 5s. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Or 5 times 5. So we have 5 here and here. So we just put a line under one of them and say we're counting by 5s, and the other number is how many times. So we're counting by 5 with 5 fingers up. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. We'll do one more. What is 5 times 0? We're counting by 5s. So I'm going to put a line under it. Counting by 5s with how many fingers up? 0. So we don't even count at all. The answer is 0. So we worked on this yesterday, but 5 is our number for the week, so we're going to keep practicing. So I'm going to give you some more multiplication problems.